Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best nail stamper kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools for anyone looking to elevate their nail art game from the comfort of their own home, offering a professional level finish that was once only achievable in salons, allowing for intricate designs and patterns with surprising ease and precision, making it an indispensable addition to any beauty enthusiast's collection for creating stunning manicures. Number 5. Biutee 12 PCS Nail Stamping Plate Set. Discover the Biutee Nail Stamping Plate Set, your all-in-one solution for stunning nail art. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to create intricate designs with ease. Explore a world of possibilities with 12 beautifully etched stamping plates. Each one offers a unique pattern to elevate your manicure. This set comes with a stamper, scraper, and a convenient storage bag. You'll have all the essential tools right at your fingertips for perfect application every time. Achieve salon-quality nail art in the comfort of your own home. It's never been easier to express your personal style with these versatile templates. Crafted for durability and ease of use, these plates are designed for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts. Get ready to impress with flawless designs. Whether you're looking for a fun new hobby or a way to enhance your existing nail art skills, this set is the perfect addition to your collection. Get yours today and start creating. What we like. This set offers a generous variety of 12 stamping plates, perfect for exploring different designs. It also conveniently includes a storage bag to keep your collection organized. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter set with good value and easy storage, this is a great choice. What people say. This stamper is very easy to use and picks up the polish well. The designs are very clear and crisp, and they transfer to the nail perfectly. I love the variety of designs included in this kit. There are so many options to choose from. Number 4. Biutee 19 PCS Nail Art Stamping Set. Discover the Biutee 19 PCS Nail Art Stamping Set. It's everything you need to create stunning nail designs. This comprehensive set includes 15 unique stamping plates with beautiful designs like leaves, flowers, and animals. You also get a stamper, scraper, and a convenient storage bag. Achieving professional-looking nail art has never been easier. The included stamper and scraper make transferring intricate patterns a breeze. With a wide variety of images, you can mix and match to create endless unique looks for any occasion. Keep your stamping plates and tools tidy and ready to go with the included storage bag. Perfect for at-home use or on-the-go creativity. Elevate your manicure with beautiful, detailed designs. This set empowers you to express your personal style on your fingertips. What we like. With 15 distinct stamping plates, this kit provides even more creative options than the previous one. It also comes with extra scrapers, ensuring you always have a clean one ready. If you're a budding nail artist who loves variety and wants a bit more flexibility with tools, this expanded set is ideal. What people say. The designs are cute and give a sticker-like look on the nails, which makes them perfect for quick and easy nail art. They come with multiple different rubber stamps. So in case you do damage one, you have multiple other ones. This kit comes with a good mix of 15 metal stamping plates along with a clear stamper, scraper, and a small storage bag, which makes everything easy to keep together. Number 3. Heart Lace Nail Stamping Kit. Discover the ultimate nail art experience with our comprehensive stamping kit. It includes everything you need to create stunning designs. Effortlessly transfer beautiful heart and lace patterns onto your nails. Achieve salon-quality results in minutes. This kit features butterfly templates, silicone stampers, and dotting tools for endless creative possibilities. Decorate your nails with unique flair. From intricate mandalas to delicate French tips, this set has you covered. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts. Complete your look with the included nail rhinestones and striping tape. Elevate your manicure with a touch of glamour. This all-inclusive set provides all the essential tools for professional-looking nail art at home. Get ready to impress with your creativity. What we like. This kit stands out with its unique heart, lace, and butterfly designs, perfect for adding a touch of elegance. It also includes bonus items like rhinestones and a dotting pen for more elaborate nail art. If you enjoy intricate patterns and want to experiment with mixed media nail art, this set will help you achieve stunning results. What people say. The templates are all well etched and the designs pick up well with the stamper, but do use stamping polish. The foil strips are nice and sticky. These plates were all 100% usable. Super easy to use. I honestly love the product. Some stencils worked better than others, but that could be because of the polish I used. Number 2. Biutee Nail Stamper Kit. Discover the Biutee Nail Stamper Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning nail art. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to create intricate designs with ease. With 12 unique stamping plates featuring lace, plaid, and holiday themes, the creative options are limitless. You can achieve salon-quality manicures right at home. The kit comes with 8 vibrant gel polishes, ensuring your stamped designs pop with color. These polishes are formulated for smooth application and long-lasting wear. Our silicone stamper and scraper make transferring designs effortless. Even beginners can achieve professional-looking results in minutes. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This nail stamping kit is a perfect present for any woman who loves to express herself through her style. It's ideal for holidays and special occasions. Keep your stamping plates and polishes organized with the included storage bag. Everything stays neat and accessible for your next nail art session. What we like? This option is unique because it comes with its own set of stamping gel polishes, eliminating the need to purchase them separately. It's also presented as a great holiday gift. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution or a convenient gift for a nail art enthusiast, this kit provides everything needed to start stamping right away. What people say. The quality of the images is excellent, and they transfer effortlessly onto the nails for crisp and detailed designs. I particularly love the jelly silicone stamper included in the kit. It's soft and squishy, making it easy to pick up and transfer the designs onto the nails without smudging or distortion. The stamping plates offer a great variety and each image I picked worked first time, worked well and provided a crisp image pickup. Number 1. V17-32 Nail Art Stamping Plate Set. Discover endless nail art possibilities with this comprehensive stamping set. It includes everything you need to create stunning designs right at home. Explore a variety of beautiful patterns, from delicate leaves to elegant flowers. You'll find the perfect design for any occasion. Achieve flawless transfers with the included stamper and scraper. They are designed for ease of use, making nail art simple and fun. Keep all your stamping plates and tools neatly organized in the convenient case. It's perfect for storage and taking your nail art on the go. Elevate your manicure with salon-quality results. This set empowers you to express your personal style with intricate and beautiful nail art. Get ready to impress with this all-in-one stamping set. It's the ultimate tool for anyone looking to create unique and eye-catching nail designs. What we like? Boasting the highest number of stamping plates at 16, this set offers the most extensive design library. It also comes with a dedicated case for secure storage and transport. If you are serious about nail stamping and want the widest array of patterns available in one package, this comprehensive set is the ultimate choice for endless creativity. What people say. This stamper is very easy to use and picks up designs beautifully. The stamper head is soft and flexible, allowing for perfect pickup of even intricate designs. It comes with multiple plates with a good variety of designs to choose from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.